Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making our first cupcake cake. We are using a dozen cupcakes to make a rainbow. Let's get started.
I split a full recipe of American buttercream into 7 bowls. 6 I colored all the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and some I left white. Then I put the buttercream in piping bags. All the colored buttercream had medium star chips of various styles, and the white in a piping bag with a medium round tip. Then I arranged a dozen banana cupcakes in the form of a rainbow. I piped a dab of buttercream on the bottom of the cupcakes to keep it stuck in place. The 4 cupcakes on the bottom, I piped some white buttercream in them, and then I piped dabs onto them to make them look fluffy. Then I piped tall stars starting in the middle of the rainbow, so I started with green. Then I piped yellow, then blue, then purple. However, because of the shape of a cupcake, there is a gap between the cupcakes at that line. So to fill in the gap, I started the piping at the cake board and piped up to the level of the other piping. Then I piped orange, and finally red. I had to fill in the gaps between the cupcakes on the red as well. I love this cupcake cake. It's so cheery and fun. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.